Hello guys, and today I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be making a spirograph in Python Turtle. As you can see from the thumbnail, that's what we're going to be doing, with an animation or not, up to you. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So first we want to import the turtle module like we always have to when we're using Python Turtle. Now we just want to make our screen, we can just say this turtle, we don't actually have to define the screen. Background color, just make it black. Right, now turtle, so the pen size, we'll make it double the size it is, so 2. Then turtle dot speed, animation speed is 0, so it won't actually have an animation. We're gonna keep this off for now, so you can just put a hashtag in front of it, so it won't work, the code won't run. For example, this code's not running. So we're gonna make a simple for loop, for I in range 6 times. So everything in the for loop here happens 6 times. Keep in mind the indent with a colon. We're gonna make another for loop for colors in, and then we're gonna make a list. You can define a list with square brackets. For colors in red, magenta, any colors here you want, but it has to be colors that is built in Python. Remember to use speech marks for each element of the list. We're gonna have cyan, we're gonna have green, we're gonna have yellow, and we're gonna have white. Now this is enough for now. Now we're gonna do another colon to go inside this for loop. So this is all running 6 times, but this is going inside this loop here. Right, go back to the indent. Now we want turtle dot the color of the pen colors, so any color here. All right, turtle dot circle 100 degrees, 100 radius, I mean, whoops, I don't know what happened there. Turtle, whoops, indent, remember. Turtle dot turn left degrees 10 degrees, and we want the turtle dot, remember the indents, we want it as at the start line, not in the for loop. Turtle dot hide turtle, and now we can see what this comes out with without the animation. And here we go. It's gonna go very, very slow, but here, as you can see, it's turning left 90 degrees. Go again and again and again with new colors. If you want to see this quicker, you're gonna have that running if you would like. If you want to see this as fast it could go, highest animation speed, this is what it looks like that. And that's a simple spirograph. You can make this, let's say if we put 10 in here, you can make this run as long as you would like, but 6 is a preferred way, you'll see why. Yeah, you can keep this running as long as you would like. And yeah, this is a simple spirograph that we can make really simply in Python Turtle, only using 15 lines of code, so really simple. And yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, me making Python Turtle R, please consider dropping a like and hitting the subscribe button. If you would like me to do more Python Turtle R, drop in the comments down below, and I'll do whatever you suggest. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!